Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone is signed into the Apple ID tied to your backup and that Wi-Fi is stable. Once done, check whether contacts were backed up via iCloud, a local iTunes/Finder backup, or synced by an email provider like Gmail or Exchange. Make sure battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings and tap your name, then tap iCloud to see if Contacts is enabled, and note the backup type so you choose the right restore path. You'll now execute the main restore method based on your earlier check. If contacts come from an email account, go to Settings, Passwords, and Accounts, select the account and toggle contacts off then on to force a fresh sync. Wait a few minutes. For iCloud backups, go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings, then restore from iCloud backup during setup. For local backups, connect to your Mac or PC. Open Finder or iTunes, choose Restore Backup, and pick the relevant date. You're almost done. Once the restore completes, open the Contacts app and pull down to refresh. Make sure Group's top left shows all accounts. If contacts are missing or duplicated, check account filters in Settings, Contacts, Accounts, and re-enable or remove problematic accounts. If sync fails entirely, sign into webmail on a browser, export contacts as a vCard, VCF, then import via iCloud, COM or mail provider and resync. If problems persist, reboot the phone and repeat the sync step to resolve transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.